Yeah, me G, you believe that Masicka is a goat?
Why? Why? What me have to say now? The way this man just jump up saying why goat. Oh, him to be goat, I'm not 4 foot. How can a goat thing that him a talk about? You're a man and you talk about your goat? I don't understand that, dog. Because you have all type of goat. You have mongrel goat. You have goat all of 1 foot, you know. Say no, him a talk about goat. Say just come explain which goat you are, which goat. Because you have some dear goat now. You see one of the big ears them? Oh God, man. Expensive goat them. They say, more know what I go on. Yes, sir. One a goat thing there. Yeah, I'm out.
Alright. Yeah, me G, do you believe that Masicka is a goat?
Yeah, man can be goat. You have all type of goat, brother. Remember, you have local goat, you have hybrid goat, you have the biggest goat in the day one them, you have the European. Man can be all type of goat, brother. You see me say, if you say, him are the goat, what kind of goat you attack? Remember, we have whole heap of goat, you know. You see me? We don't want to see you attack a goat. So tell me what kind of goat you attack, father. You see me? Nothing wrong with that. Alright.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Some on them, I'm soon answer. All of the ghetto girl them, where Bodo come from, right? Pick up the thugs them, pick up the ghetto girl them. Take it down, take it down. Aye! Yo, a gunman alone make my something away. Real toucher boy have me a text say. Say me a go leave him, tell me say that. Scared for my life, but me love him to get the boy. Beat up it, and I not dead. Joke and love me, love rough. Days in at the market, good, good. So me not less. Pull up by me and love get up and them love me breast. Tell him I feel when me something I impress him. Make me if say baby yes. I get a man out of the wickedest land. Get a man, love get a man. I get a man out of the wickedest land. Get a man, love get a man. Them now full and Pakino. Get a man, love get a man. I get a man out of the wickedest land. Get a man, take it out. I just do where the boy deal with it. I just do where the boy now left the Uzi. I just do where the boy talk rough to me. Nah lie yo, it does something to me. When he touch me, I say back it up, see me. Cause the whole of it a feel me. Do me. Nah, give me a next one there. Give me a next one. Okay, this is for the girl. We already hot girl. Everyone will say no girl can't look in your face. No girl, no girl, no girl. Hey, all the girl what she can't do me no. Tell them I talk can't touch about. Small waist, cute belly button. That them hear me for, hear me for nothing. Say me like that, no share me for nothing. Man them a touch couldn't pay me for you. Say them a beef, me do for mutton. And that them hate me for, he hate me for nothing. Them get let and not nobody me would have on me. The skinny foot with big body that crabby skin too tough. Where's the pain that I bill there? Where's the pain that I bill? I don't want to hear that one there. Alright. Put your money where your mouth there. Otherwise, nobody chat here. No you say you're full of a cash here. Say you are money for dash where there's no one else girl you're not fried up. Be a artist when we step up, yeah. So almost him and all them who to say. But why you pay the light bill there, phone bill there, the water bill there, we. So give them a next one. Now only for artists they here. Big up each and every artist where they hear. 2 alone. Alright, them say 2 alone. Thank you very much. Love you. Alright, this one. You like this one? Renegade, big up yourself. A general. Stampede, big up. You see me? AJ? AG. Excuse me. AG. Excuse me. You can't talk here. Let me tell you something. Mankind are evil. The sun around talk make we reason. Watch the spliff, it might see so. Don't a uncle your own can deceive you. And next thing, me not a secret. So me tell you me have it, you might leak it. Now practice loyalty, but I preach it. Feel sick. No, feel sick.
One Lisa. Right, listen, we have absolute legend here, royalty, you know. We've got royalty here right now.
Thank you.
And they're all spamming your name right now. They're excited.
Thank you.
All right, so do you want to, for those that don't know who you are, can you just give me your social media where they can follow you?
Well, you can follow me on Lisa_Hyper. That's LISA_HYPER on Instagram. Facebook Lisa Hyper. And for all booking, it's Lisa Hyper Music with a Q.
Perfect. So you want Lisa, did you? One Lisa. Alright, cool. Alright, what do you want to do? You told me.
Views of the people to the world, to the world, to the world. Views of the people. Views of the people. All the people. Stop separate the people and listen to views of the people. Mother Road. Sky God.
Gather Road.
Gather Road.